Find a comfortable position, sitting with your feet against the ground, allowing your hands to rest softly in your lap with your palms facing upward. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Do this a couple times, breathing in and out, letting your body settle, letting your shoulders soften, your jaw unclench, and your whole body relax. You are grounded, free to let go of whatever may be weighing you down. There's nothing else to do but be here in this moment. Bringing attention to your hands. Imagine resting in your palms as nutrient-rich, healthy soil from the earth. Notice its texture. It's perhaps cool and soft, providing comfort. In the center of the soil, within your hand, is a tiny seed. It represents something within you, a new idea, a shift in perspective, a fresh way of seeing things. Possibly something comes to mind. Let yourself go with that instinct. Do not force anything, or simply allow the seed to be a seed, just as it is, and let the change be beyond conscious thought. Take a slow breath in. As you exhale, offer the seed your attention as you commit to care for it as it births into this world. It's beautiful, sometimes harsh world. Now imagine a light from above. From this light comes a gentle warmth. Allow this light to shine softly onto the seed as it perhaps brings hope, encouragement, and patience. With each inhale, the light is a little brighter, a little warmer, providing more energy. And with each exhale, the light is entering deeper into that soil, providing it warmth. Do that until you feel the soil has received sufficient light. And now, when you feel ready, imagine giving the seed one drop of water at a time. However much water the seed requires. It's a representation of your openness, your willingness, and your effort to grow. Growth does not happen all at once, but one drop at a time. For a few breaths, stay here. Continuing to hold the seed within the bed of soil, providing it what it needs, and naturally waiting for the seed to respond with gentle encouragement. And as you see, the seed is ready to transform at your own pace, at its own pace. A small crack forms and a sprout emerges. Not forcing anything, but just allowing it to happen without any effort. Slowly but surely, the sprout is beginning to form. And what it might be is up to you. Perhaps a flower, plant, a tree, fruit, or something else. Whatever appears is right for you. Notice it for a moment. What does this change look like? What does it feel like? How does your creation smell? Notice how the light reflects off of it. This growth, this creation, represents something within you. Whatever it is, no matter how small, how quiet, it has already begun. Bringing your attention back to your hands. The image may fade as we transition out of this practice, out of this visualization, but the change within you is there, it's present, and it exists. And you can bring it about whenever you feel necessary. So as you go into the next minute, the next hour, the next day, allow your seed of growth to provide you the energy, the light, whatever you need. Have a beautiful day. See you next time.